Hi, Mystery Baker here. If you want to find out how I made this lovely coffee and walnut cake, then I'm going to be uploading a full tutorial on how I did it from start to finish. Beginner's guide. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I need to cut some. Shall I? Okay, let's go for it. Let's cut some of this bad boy. Oh, oh, I hope it comes out okay. Oh my goodness. I need some of this. I seriously do. There you go. If you want to know how I made this coffee cake, check out my full tutorial on how to make this from start to finish. I'll upload it probably this evening. Thank you. I'm about to go and eat this. Yum, yum, yum. Speak to you soon. Bye.